Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you guys today to let you know our next crochet adventure. Okay, you guys, so I got it in the mail. And I opened up the package like I always do. But okay, you guys, you ready? Here we go. Let me get it. Oh my word, you guys. Look at this. Let me take it out. It is called the Lacy Chevron Baby Blanket. You guys see it? How beautiful is this? Okay, we're going to have so much fun talking about chevrons. Okay, so this is what the project is for this month. So I am so excited. We get 3 balls of this beautiful yarn. Look at the multicolor on this. This can be for a boy or a girl, but you know what? We're gonna talk about it when I work it up, right? So I don't want to get all into it right now. I did want to come on today, you guys, to let you know what our next adventure is from the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. And this is it, a baby chevron blanket. So I'm thinking right now, what baby am I going to give this to? I have 2 grand boys, but they're kind of big. So I will see, but I am looking forward to working this up for you guys. And like we always do, we talk about it. So I will see you guys when I'm finished. Okay, guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.